that? Look like 2x4 wide.
Yeah,
Pretty wide. Inch and a half. That's what you want it to look like. Now, if you notice how Paul walks on the roof, it doesn't matter where he walks. It doesn't matter. Bringing this whole front out flush. 6 inches down the side. I'm lining this up with that porch roof over there, so we'll enclose all of this. Okay. We got this thing tore off. We found rotten plywood there, rotten plywood over there. It's 3/8 plywood. It's got an overhang. We're going to take it all off and replace it with 1/2 inch plywood. If you see one of my guys up on the roof and it looks like they're dancing, they're not. What they're actually doing is scraping all the fuzzy edges off of this seam right here. So he wasn't dancing just there, he was rubbing the fuzzy edges because they'll stick up, poke your rubber. Thanks, Billy. Nope. And a little bit. Getting ready for overnight. We have the 2x4s on. Clamps are all up here. We're going to spread it out, figure out which way this thing goes. Yes, sir. Don't let it slide off. Grab it, Billy. Beautiful. Lay it in place for the night. Take what you need. There you go. Plenty. Too much. Got enough to clamp?
Yeah, I got enough to clamp.
As long as you got enough to clamp, that's all that matters. And we're clamping it down. No more leaks. No more leaks. Tomorrow we'll come back and finish this thing.
Plywood at the bottom, block plywood at the top, sides.
Wrap it with metal.
No, we
That'll
can't
look
plywood at the bottom.
Fascia.
Squeegees don't like sand though. There's no sand.
Boy, that's looking good. And where'd that cut in the rubber come from?
At the house?
Very first day.
Really?
It was the one up underneath the second one.
finished. And that's what should look like when we're done.